One way to add a little variety with your tummy time, and also to accommodate babies who don't love it on the floor on their own, is to have baby on your lap doing tummy time. I have her oriented away from me, and I'm using the wooden book to give her something really high contrast and interesting to look at. Now I have my hands close. In fact, I'm using my forearms to kind of hold her in. I don't want her rolling anywhere. But I'm letting her have a good chance to lift her head. And look. This is going to be really brief with your baby, and if you find that this doesn't work for your body or your baby's body, that's fine. You can do it sideways over your lap, but if you're able, this can be a nice variation.
So I love to use this crinkle bag in all sorts of fun ways, but in this case, I'm using it for this little guy. He's still staying on his forearms in tummy time, so he doesn't have the ability to do some really nice reaching and playing functionally in tummy time yet, but he can definitely scratch and grab and mouth things that are right under his hands. So I basically put this crinkle bag underneath his hands like a surface for him, like a blanket, but it's got that nice noise and texture when he puts it in his mouth. So it's just something different than the blanket that he's on.
One way we can modify tummy time on the ground if you're finding that your kiddo's having trouble with it is to prop baby up a little bit. So anytime baby's chest or shoulders are higher than their hips, they're kind of on an incline, and that will make tummy time easier. It basically makes the head weigh a little bit less for baby. So let's try it. Tummy time. Lift it up. Yeah, you are a pushy baby with your legs, aren't you? So I'm gonna keep a hand on you so you don't go launching over that. Wow, is that a little easier to look? See how high he's getting his head here? That's hard work. It is harder for baby to take that cheek down break here, so you may find that your baby starts fussing a little bit easier instead of giving themselves a break. But you just stop the tummy time when they tell you that they're upset and they're done.